Hey everyone, how you guys are doing? I figure I'll just take the time to kind of educate you guys real fast before I go on Zoom with my group, female boss traders. Female boss traders, which is a Telegram group that you can you are more than welcome to join if you want to join. Like I said, you just have to download Telegram. If you don't have access to Telegram, you just download it. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or a iOS, which is Apple device. You can still utilize Telegram. All you need is my link, which I'd be happy to provide. And yeah, and you can join. Okay, it's again free group. You get ton of group support, as well as I do my Zoom sessions. I was doing them on Sundays, Wednesdays, uh, and let me take that back. Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. But I'm gonna be, to be honest, I'm gonna be rechanging my schedule again a little bit. But for now, I'm just gonna lay it out like that. So you can, yeah, you can join. I'm so proud of that group. I really am. But I've learned so much with the ladies, and also I have men down there too, so I can't really just say ladies. So I'm learning so much from my members that's inside that group, and they learn from me as well. And I just want to help more and more people. So I definitely am looking forward for my group to continuously grow, and that's what it's all about. But right now in this particular video, I just want to educate you. And this video I'm planning on uploading on my IG as well as on my YouTube for sure, and possibly on Facebook. Okay, but I just want to educate you. This is my MetaTrader 4. Okay, my MetaTrader 4, and basically on my MetaTrader 4, oops, sorry, you can download the MetaTrader 4 on your phone, but also you can download it on your computer. And this is what you're seeing is definitely the MetaTrader 4 on my desktop, well, not desktop, but my laptop, Windows. Okay, so you do have to have Windows in order to utilize the MetaTrader 4 on your desktop or your laptop. Now you can get the MetaTrader 4 on your Apple, but that's sort of a long story. I'll get into another day. Okay, but for now, I just want to educate you on the charts and on the candles and things like that. So I use indicators, of course, and you can kind of see that my support and resistance. And hopefully, if you're looking at my cursor right here, this is a resistance here. That's just part of the indicator. This is also part of my indicator, which is the support. You see my EMA, which is the 14 EMA. Also, I use the 200. I think that is my 200. So yeah, that's my 200 EMA, and I have the 50 as well. I'm looking on the daily chart and the daily time frame, which is right here. I'm trying to get my cursor so you can see it right here. It's the daily, and it says daily. D1 stands for daily. Let's go over all of the time frames. This stands for monthly, MN. Weekly is W1. D1 stands for day, like I just said. H4 stands for 4 hours. H1 stands for an hour. M30 stands for 30 minutes. M15 stands for 15 minutes. M5 stands for 5 minutes, and M1 stands for 1 minute. But each of these time frames represents the candle itself. It represents the amount, the time frame of the candle. So all these candles here represent a daily. So the daily candle, okay? So all these candles represents 1 day. 1 day, okay? 1 day. So if you go on the weekly, same way. Each candle represents 1 week. 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, okay? But I consider myself more of a intraday / scalper, because I love scalping. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love to scalp. But I consider myself as in between those, daily and scalper, okay? And there are different types of traders and things like that I do go over in my free course, by the way, as well as I have a paid course that is lit. And I say it's lit, it is lit, okay? It is lit. Okay, so you definitely want to take the opportunity to learn a little bit more about my paid course. But in the meantime, I want my goal to be to get you plugged into my free course, so I can transition you over to my paid course, so that way you will be set as far as being educated and learn how to trade. Okay. But like I said, in the chart here, let's go back to, yeah, I am on my daily. Okay, so on the daily, I'm gonna just kind of focus on the daily for a little bit. So each candle represents a day. So this blue candle is represent a buy, which is bullish candle. This red candle represents the bearish candle, which represents the sell candle. Okay, so what you need to know is you need to know, okay, what is a bearish and what is a bullish candle. Okay, normally I do have this in blue, but normally you'll probably see the bullish candle being green. Okay, my red candle it's red, which stands for sell, which is normally red anyway, so that won't confuse you. I just want to kind of let you know about I do have it blue, but normally it's green. This is this is the regular candles. There are different types of candles, but again, that's for another video. I don't want to overwhelm you with a whole lot of information, because there is a lot of information for you to be aware of when you start trading. And when you're a newbie, it can get really overwhelming really fast. I know from first personal experience of myself, I know how overwhelming everything can get with all the ton of information that you need to know in order to be successful at trading. All right, so for now, what I want you to really just focus on at this point in time, as the red candle is a bearish candle. You can even write this stuff down if you need to. Bullish candle is a buy candle. This is the top of a wick, the bottom of the wick. Okay, top, bottom. Okay, top, and this is a little smaller wick, bottom wick. Okay, so that's your candles. Okay, and people they trade off of the they trade off of the off of a line chart as well as candle charts. So just heads up there, but I have my candle timer here to help me know when another candle is about to form. Just heads up with that. All right, so let's see what else I want to tell you. And so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to put this here. So I use my vertical, which is draw vertical line here. And when I do that, it helps me to know what's gonna happen after that, past that. Okay, so how would I know that? When I go to the 4 hour, and my group is already on it. They already joining in on my Zoom session at this very moment. It's not really, I got like 10 minutes or actually 9 minutes to spare, but so I'm gonna hurry up and get done. But if you go to the 1 hour, okay, let me end this for now, and then I'll add some more to my video in just a sec. Okay, sorry about that. Hey guys, sorry that I had to abruptly end the video. Technically it is another day. It's a Monday. I hope you're having a fabulous Monday. I did have to attend my Zoom session for my free Forex course, which if you have not joined yet, please do. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn all about binary, that is the place to be. Also, if you want to even get more full exposure, like if you want to level up your trading experience and learn, really wants to learn how to trade and learn about binary, then you definitely want to invest in yourself and utilize my paid course, where you will have over 100 other educators teaching you, educating you. You will have me as a mentor for sure, but you will also have like way more people to learn from, because again, everyone doesn't teach things the same. And so what may, like with one person, you may not get it as far as them teaching you, may not understand their teaching method, or you might not, it may not easily come to you. But then when the next person teaches something, with their teaching style might resonate with you. So everyone's teaching style is different. That's what I'm trying to say at the end of the day. So definitely utilize my paid course, because it's so many strategies, so many just overall, just all kinds of ways of how you can get plugged in on how to learn how to trade. All right, so in this video, I am hoping that it brings nothing but value to you. I am simply want to go over the charts, go over how you can tell the difference from a chart. In my video from yesterday, I was kind of going over the candles. I was pretty much telling you that this is your bullish candle here. The blue one is the red candle is a bearish candle, which just stands for a sell. That means the market is going down when you see this candle. If you see the blue candle, it means the market is going up. The blue candle. All right. Also, I do have indicators on my chart, which helps me to confirm my trade a little bit better when I have these indicators. I am currently in a trade right now for GBP USD, which is the Great Britain versus the US dollar pair. All right, and so I am actually in for the market to go up. Currently, it is retesting, so I'm still a little confident that it will go up. Just reason why I'm that confident, because I did go to my daily chart, which is right here. I always put my little, well, I shouldn't say always, I kind of started doing this. I put my vertical line here on the very last candle, which is a bearish candle here. Obviously the market was going down on the daily chart. When you go to the 4-hour chart, you can still see how the market is going down, just because you see the 3 red candles, and you can kind of see it's going down. Also, it is these candles are below my EMA, my 14 EMA, my 50 EMA, and my 200 EMA, which EMAs are very good. Moving averages are very good indicators, because it helps you to kind of easily, you can see your trends, give you a little bit more clarity of your trends. The trend is your friend. If you have not heard that saying, it is so true. And more you learn about trading, the more you will kind of fully grasp what that really means about how the trend is really your friend. All right, it's always best to trade with the trend, but some people don't. But for the most part, I always try to make sure I do that. I have better successful trades when I do that. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I'm seeing where it is hitting support right here. On my 1 hour, let's go to the 30-minute. The 30-minute, it hit, and then got another red candle coming in here. Let's go to the 15-minute. The 15-minute had a red candle, then a bullish candle here, but then another red candle here following after that. Then let's go to the 5-minute. 5-minute, we have where there is that bearish candle right here. Let's go to the 1 minute. I don't know if y'all didn't even see that 1 minute there. Sorry. All right. So here you see where there is a bearish, small but bearish candle here. Oh, I said bearish. Sorry, bullish. This small bullish candle, which is a buy candle. Here's my support here. You see where that wick is touching it here, but the rest of it is kind of going this direction here. This candle is being undecisive. It's not sure what it wants to be yet. But I do have 11 minutes going in for this candle. This is my candle timer. Kind of helps me to know, which is another indicator, which helps me to know when the candle is about to end. There is my resistance line that just came in here. This is another indicator, support and resistance indicator here, that helps me to know my support and resistance. I'm, like I said, I'm confident that this it's going to go up. So I'm planning on staying in it to win it. But yeah, and I'm on the 1 minute time frame now. But I definitely mark my chart on the daily chart, and because the daily chart is more more key zone areas. It respects those key zone areas, so you will be able to kind of know be able to know a little bit more about where the market is going. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to take too much of y'all time. I just kind of wanted to show y'all about a little bit of how you can read the charts. It's really not that hard. And you know, I'm laughing because of the fact that I'm saying that when I was a newbie starting out, I used to say reading the charts super, super hard. I'm never going to get it. Then I go back saying, okay, I do want to learn this. I want to know it. And then I go back. I kept going back and forth. Didn't know whether if I ever was going to learn. I was at one point figuring that I'm never going to ever learn how to read a chart. Now I know how to read a chart, and I'm super, super happy that I learned, and you guys can learn too. I'm saying it's not hard, but also I'm going to say that with the best mentor, I think that your journey is going to go a lot smoother with the best mentor. You definitely need a good mentor. Basically, I cannot stress that enough, that how you need a good mentor. That will help your trading journey along the way, help it go a little bit more smoother if you have a good mentor. Otherwise, you know, it's going to be a bumpy road if you don't have a good mentor. If your mindset is just not, you know, at the point where if your mindset is just not right for trading, you're gonna have a bumpy road for sure. You need to go in it realizing that, you know, it's not gonna be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. You know, you're gonna have to take some time out of your schedule on a daily basis. Be consistent with studying, learning how to trade. That's something that you're gonna have to do in order to be successful at it. That's just, I mean, I'm just being honest. So if you know that that's you, that you can do that you know that that's something that you're willing to like tackle on and want to learn, it is well worth it. Best believe you'll be so happy once you learn this skill set. But it just takes time. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. It's not something that's going to happen within a week. It's going to take a lot longer than that. I'm just being honest with you. Usually some people, you know, depending on how consistent they were, some people have learned it within 3 months. But you know, if I'm gonna be honest about it, 3 months is probably gonna be the minimum. I mean, and then longer, because it's a lot to go in with trading. Like I said, it's 90% mindset and 10% the actual skill, the actual analysis part of it, the technical analysis. So it really is 90% mindset, because it is all about the mind. All right, my phone is ringing. I'm going to end it here because I do not like answering the phone while I'm in the middle of a video. Oh, I think the phone just stopped. Well, I'm gonna end it regardless. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Again, I hope this brings some kind of value to you. And I am on the MetaTrader 4, by the way, looking at the chart. Again, I'm in it for a buy, so I'm currently in a trade right now for a buy. Right now, the market is consolidating, obviously. And consolidating is when you see the candles is just ranging. We're just going sideways. You either want your candles to go up or you want it to go down, or down. And so in another video, I kind of will be a little bit more clearer what I mean by that. But anyway, I'm ending it on this note. Have a blessed day.